The math drawing below shows how the make a 10 method for adding 6 plus 7 works. We're going to write equations that correspond to this strategy, making careful and appropriate use of parentheses. Okay, so we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we want to make a 10, so they're saying let's take 4 of these circles from the 7 and give them to the 6 because together those will make 10. So we're breaking that 7 into a 4 plus a 3. Okay, so the 7 is really 4 plus 3. So this 7, we broke it into 4 plus 3. Then we're going to give those 4 to the 6 to make a 10. So this is going to be 6 plus 4 plus 3. The 6 plus 4 makes a 10, and we end up with 13. And right here, when I gave 4 from the 7 to the 6, that's the associative property.